guys, Coriel here with Twitchers Fishing. Hope you're all having a great weekend. And I thought I would just quickly share with you a package that arrived last night. Amazon, $18.99. I picked myself up a mini paint shaker. Some of you might be asking, why am I so lazy? I'm not. It's because I'm using lower quality airbrushes. I'm thinking that if I get a better mixed paint, that I'm just gonna spray better. That's my theory behind it anyways. Obviously we won't know until I try it. But I thought I would just quickly share this with you guys. The little mini paint shaker. We'll give it a quick whirl and see what it actually, if it works or not. So unboxing this, get 3 little nylon straps. That's to obviously hold your paint or your nail polish to the saddle or cradle. You got your adapter for the wall, 120 volt. And then the mini paint shaker itself. Right, there's nothing to it. The body, there's the little cradle that your paint or nail polish would sit in, and then it's just an on-off switch. That's it. So let's just we're gonna just plug it in and we're gonna try it. All right, and let me just see if I have a paint that hasn't been mixed recently that we can. Okay, this pale green here anyways. So you can kind of see its ingredients inside are starting to separate. Pigments starting to settle on the bottom, and then the water starting to sit on the top. So let's just quickly, let me just unplug this actually quickly, make life a little bit easier. Load that. So that's just going to sit like that, and then one of those straps goes over top. So throw that on, set that in the cradle. Strap comes over, do that up, there we go. And let me just tilt the camera there for you guys. There you go. Let's turn it on. Okay, it is definitely louder than I was expecting. It's actually quite loud, to be honest with you. Yes. But sitting on this towel here, it's not moving around. It does have suction cups on the bottom. I don't think they're going to work. This thing actually vibrates quite vigorously. But when you're mixing paint, that's what you want. Let's turn that off quickly. Tilt the camera back up here, and let's just take a look. Okay, so as you can see, that has actually mixed the paint quite well for what, 20 seconds. So looking forward to trying it out. Like I said, if you're using a lower quality airbrush, similar to the ones that I'm using, I do think having a better mixed paint is going to help. It's going to help, just like I said, it's just going to spray better. But like I said, we won't know until we try it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. As always, stay creative, keep painting, tight lines. Bye.